the jewel, the mom, the sister, the healthy foods. Yeah, it's not going to be a problem because I hit the gym every day, even though I skipped it today only. Okay guys, so currently we are at, I don't know if it's MOS or MOS. What is it? How is it pronounced? MOS. So we've taken, my sister has taken a salad obviously, and quinoa salad. Then we've taken some fries. We were actually going to order some rings as well. They are called rings, right? Onion rings. But they were not a la carte. So we ended up only getting normal french fries. And then what is this? This is a fruit tea. What are the fruits inside of it?
Banana, I think passion fruit, kiwi, that's it. Pineapple.
So basically it's warm, right? And her and me have, I actually have a sore throat and my nose is running, so I have to catch it. Her nose is also running, so you better catch it. Don't let it run away. My mom's nose is static. It's not running away anyway. So let's see how it is. Fruit tea is. Khatti, but it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Must have. Transition, and we are on 5th floor at the moment. We were, I think, at B1, but we are here, and that way is the lobby, that way is the concierge, but that is the mirror maze. We are about to go there, and then there's a hedge maze, then there's the canopy park. This is the hedge maze, so this is what it looks like. We all know that maze, but first of all we'll go to the mirror maze and then we'll go to the hedge maze. Let's buy the tickets for, what are we buying tickets for?
सबसे अच्छी बात है कि रेजिडेंट के लिए देख टिकट कितना सस्ता है। ये ना मेरा रेजिडेंट्स के लिए $1
That's cool. That's oh.
ये मुझे नहीं करना है यार। मुझे करना है।
हाँ मुझे भी करना है मम्मा. And then we'll do that also. Because we both are wearing jeans today, so that's going to be easy. 1 and 2 and 3. That's a long ticket for 3 people.
यार ये कौन किसकी है?
अच्छा हाँ, मैं भी वही सोचा था
खरीदनी
कि is he going with us?
चीजें खरीदनी पड़ती है।
Let's go. They've given us these sticks so that we don't hit the mirror in front of us. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so we are currently inside Canopy Walk, and then we are currently doing Topiary Walk, and this is a Chamolian.
Mummy also said that. Mummy literally said
There are some photography sessions going on, and then we have Gandhi Ji ke Do Bandar, a wondrous encounter with the orangutans. Ooh. By the way, she's just doing a slide. All the best. Don't die. By the way, this is the ride. I don't know what's on the other end though. I mean, you just go down. Oh my god. Wow, seriously? Okay, so I know I was the only one who screamed like a little girl, but you know what? I don't care. It was the adrenaline that got the best of me. But now I'm about to head down in this one, and this one apparently goes boom, boom, boom. So I might.
Bye, Bhaskar.
Gone. Not going to lie. The view is pretty sick. Pretty dope actually. Dude, this Skynet, the bouncing one, is not free. What the hell? We have to buy tickets for it. I thought everything inside here now was free. We bought one ticket. Damn, that's a 85% dark chocolate pastry. I'm really excited to eat that. What's this?
Sticky date pudding with
Okay guys, so we are done at the Jewel and we are currently at Shake Shack. It was her idea to get to Shake Shack because I've never...
people are obsessed with it. I just talked over this.
But I've never had Shake Shack. This is my first time and we've taken 2 burgers and 2 fries because we are really hungry. But now we're just waiting on our order and then we'll take a cab home. And yeah, I think that is going to be it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed and I think I will make a more in-depth vlog of the Jewel.
But I think you should show them what Shake Shack tastes like. Don't leave them on a cliffhanger.
Fine, I'll make like I'll tell you guys how it tastes. So yeah.
Okay.
So they did not butcher my name. She said Bhaskar. That was really cute. But look inside. I think we might have to order again because this was delicious and the burgers are actually really small.
The watch is coming off, which means he's ready to eat.
Yeah, I never take my watch off that easy. But okay, taste test. So this actually looks like something that came out of an ad.
Or like SpongeBob Krabby Patty.
SpongeBob's Krabby Patty.
It's a shroom burger which is veg. The bun is soft. That's the speciality I feel of. Yeah, see? Ew!
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, so then you like it, huh? Then you like it. So then that means this is a thumbs up.
I've been dying. It's a 2 thumbs up. I've been dying to eat some good pizza or burger. You know it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I
This
know
is the answer.
I'll be eating Shake Shack a lot now.